Just getting more worse as the minute. The dog's running around. Dog's running around. The house alarm's getting off and this guy's getting back, so I just have to put it down. So guys, coming. Anything? Apparently he's seeing stuff. He's trying to chase the dog. Over there. Like, should we call the pound? Or the police? Or like we can take it home or something. Pardon? Is it?
Yeah.
Did you find the owner?
Yeah.
They just put it in the car so it doesn't escape, so it can't go on the road. Okay. That's what's getting serious, isn't it?
And that's the dog. The dog's out.
What, the dog that goes at the house?
Oh, I thought
Yeah.
the dog looks at that house.
And that alarm that's going off is that's where the dog is. It has a number on it, on the red tag.
Yeah, it does, yeah. So do you not think we should phone the police?
Yeah, and we should call the pound or
So
something.
you guys definitely see the guy or not?
I'm pretty sure.
They're the ones who've seen him.
Those seen.
Him. I was just sitting out keeping guard with the scooters. This is the guy with the phone.
So it's, yeah, we can call the police.
Like, even
At
if
the
it,
house with the alarms going off.
yeah,
so
and
we
even
were
if it-
walking past
even
and
if
it
they
stopped
didn't see
and
an
then we were
outside,
like,
no,
oh, it's okay. But then it started
but
straight
the
away.
whole thing is, we know there's someone in there. It went off, right? And wait, but she's gonna get angry at us even if she's the owner. She's still gonna get angry at us.
What?
If she's the owner, she's gonna
Why will she be angry?
stop.
He probably would get angry at us.
Just stay here. Is that your house?
Oh, I live up there, but dogs should stay there.
The dog's in there, guys. And they think they saw someone like with a hammer or knife or something.
Oh, okay.
So and like we're saying, should we call the pound or should we and the police or something?
Because it just turned
Like
back
it'll
on.
go on in another 5 minutes.
Yeah, it's me. I heard it before, but I wasn't too sure. I didn't come out. I thought it was the one over next to it.
So
But if we put the,
no, there's a hole and
oh, is that how she got out?
yeah.
Well, there is two holes. One's covered up. One right there is not.
Yeah, because I don't have a fence, so I can't really put her in the back of my place until I back in home. But they shouldn't be too far away. They usually get home.
Like is that their truck?
Yeah. Because we started her in a car alarm too.
Yeah, and they look through here. How did he get inside? Like, I don't want to come in, like. I was like recording a YouTube video. And then like we were skittering past and then all we hear is alarm, dog running. And now we're getting like scared at the minute.
There would be a number on the alarm, but it would be
Are they?
on the top of the house.
Like, it's getting real shitty.
You just weird.
No, it's cursed. No.
And no, there's one right here.
There's one.
Far off, but I don't know if she could have biked to work, or I don't know if she's in there or.
Like, because I think someone robbed their house.
Yeah.
Because
Because, like, if someone did rob
like,
their house,
this
like, they could have opened the
dog's
door
like,
and then the.
scared, like it's trying to tell us something or something.
Yeah,
like
like, we're thinking it's trying to tell us something because all we say is there's a dog just sitting here and then the alarm goes off and she's like, she starts barking. Like, when we see her, she gets out here, she starts barking and then like 5 minutes later she's sitting here and then we're like, what to do? We don't know what to do. Is my scooter over there? Excuse me. Wait, Ivy, can you go get my scooter? Is she coming? Is she coming over? Okay. Like, we didn't know what to do.
Wait, no, if their car's broken, that means someone's broken in.
They've got another car too. His partner has one.
Ladies coming in.
Yep, that's her. Oh no. No, that's not her.
No, that's the guy there who's looking after the dog.
Oh yeah, I was looking at the dog.
Yeah, because there's two people. There's three people helping us. Is that dog does that dog belong here? Do you know?
I'm going into it.
There we go.
Does that dog belong here?
Come on. Is that dog?
Yeah.
I'm Tom.
That
Hi,
looks like
mate.
her.
I'm Tom.
Do you know her name?
Better than being on the road.
Yeah. Wait, I'm confused. It went off like 5 minutes ago.
It could be a cat sword.
A cat.
But they don't have a cat.
I know heaps of people that have cats.
Should we like?
Oh, yeah, you're on video now.
What are we gonna do? It's serious.
Here we go. The towel whip.
Well, I'm keeping everyone out of the vlog
And his
just
dog
because I don't know if they want to be like seen. So I'm just trying to like keep their face
That's a good idea.
out. Yeah, you know.
Yeah, it says the phone number.
I probably like just got her here. Should we call the pound?
No, don't be stupid, bro.
No, but like they get fed and they get taken out for walks.
So,
If when she comes back, we'll tell her that alarms went off.
Who reckon they saw someone? Someone.
me and Thomas, me and my brother, we saw
But like
someone in there with a-
now, if they are in there, they're probably scared and they're like, how are we supposed to get out?
Yeah, they're probably still in here. Yeah.
Okay. What are we supposed to do? Are we like,
I saw someone through there though.
can we call the pound or little dog?
I saw someone.
Feet? No. Wait, I want to see. Stop.
We saw someone. So in the glare, we saw someone pass there. Right there. Wait.
What is that?
You can get in if you smack.
Fuck. No, call the Dev Credit. Call the pound. Cause like at least the dog will be safe there. You're like, what if the owner's having a heart attack and something? But they have another car though, Tama.
We'll call the police. Just call the police in like another 30 minutes if they don't get home.
It hasn't gone off again, and it's usually gone off again by now, eh?
Yeah.
No, it takes like 10 minutes
Oh, does it?
Yeah.
for it to go off again, and then it goes for like 1 hour. And
Yeah, because we've been here for an hour and every 20 minutes it will go and then 20 minutes off.
She looks like she knows the place, doesn't she?
Has she been peeing and stuff?
Sorry.
Did she pee or something?
No, she's just having a nose.
That probably means like if they have another dog then. Probably.
Yeah, it does look the same. I don't know them that well. I just sort of have to have, cross paths with her here and there, but and I've seen the dog once or twice. It's gone out. Definitely get colour in there. But I mean, if it's not theirs, at least it's somewhere off the road, and when they get home, they can.
Running. Four dogs that hit her. That's why
look, there's another one.
It was their dog.
Oh.
That's
yeah.
always been there.
The Jews and me too about 5 minutes before I pulled up. So I was pointing at the dog going, keep your dog off the road.
You're in a different car.
I was in that one.
I saw you. I was like, until I saw the blue thing. When we saw the dog, we straight away went over and said, oh my god.
That's alright.
Just somehow, I was at my friend's and on my way home I met him.
Oh, okay. You know,
Yeah, he's that guy's brother.
Oh,
So like we've seen each other, and I'm just like their friends.
if it goes off again and they're not
And he
home,
lives at my house right now. And
We have to call the town or the police.
no. Oi.
Like if someone is robbing that house, then
a couple of times, and there's a big cat door there, so maybe
Yeah, sorry.
I don't know. But yeah, thanks guys. Yeah, I'll keep it. It's nearly 5:30 now, so like, yeah, I suppose if no one shows up and if that starts going on again, I'll bring some, security or something.
okay, let's
I'll
leave.
come back and see you now.
Thank you.
Alright. Right guys, I'll do it now guys.
Okay, let's go. Oi! Stop. We're leaving now. Okay, stop. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
It's fine now.
It's in there.
Bye, dog.
Bye, dog.
Thanks guys. Hey, you guys did, whoa. You guys did a pretty good job actually. All of you, right.
Thank you.
Thank
All
you.
of you did a really good job.
Oh, look at this nice guy.
Okay, we have a story to tell my mum already.
Okay,
I know, but who's going to the dairy with me?
I think
Thumbs up.
Mama, are you going to the dairy with me?
thumbs up to you. Okay. Oi, Tama, do you have a charger at your house? Tama,
I'm not coming.
do you have a charger at your house? Because I need to charge my phone. It was like 100% and an hour of recording shit. Like,
How much I still recorded.
even, but I keep pausing it and then restopping. I've paused it like 5 times. So what's up to the vlog since you haven't saying what's up? You've just been saying,
What's up,
shoot.
What's up, today?
Wait, where were you?
What?
If you can see that car, that bush right there,
If you can see
a girl like me there.
that car.
Who's that? Ladies! The guy who helped us. There's a lady there too, looking after the dog by herself. So, yeah.
He looks so dirty in front of the window. He just looks right there. What the fuck?
Well, I thought it was that guy that we ding dong ditched. I do too, for the vlog. Joy, are you gonna do it? You did it 5 months ago. You did it 5 months
I'll
ago.
give you my scooter.
This nigga crazy. This nigga ain't crazy.
I'll do it.
This guy's smart.